Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve SOF Class 1 IGKO Set A year 2018. So let's begin with the section of General Awareness. Which of the following is a correct match? So here we have head and gloves. So do we wear gloves on our head? No. Eye with glasses. So it is a good match, like we wear glasses over our eyes. Okay, so option B. Now mini, you have two of these that you can use to run. A lion has four to chase you. What was it? So mini has two legs while a lion has four. In which of the following sports a ball is not used for playing? So if you see badminton, use the shuttlecock, not the ball. In a famous fairy tale, the fairy grandmother turned dash into a coach so the Cinderella could go to the princess ball. So if you are well known to the Cinderella story, the character was a pumpkin. If you don't, then remind it. Select the correct match. So hen doesn't give milk. Sheep gives wool. So it is good and it is the correct match. Okay, question number 6. Which of these is a benefit for physical exercise? It helps us to stay fit. It makes us lazy. It may help us fall ill. So it helps us to stay fit is the correct option right now. Now let's see question number 7. India has more than one name. It is also known as what? So it is known as Hindustan. Question number 8. Where the pyramid of Giza located? So you all are well known or must have watched the movie Mummy or Mummy Returns. So it is located in Egypt. Okay. Now choose the word partner of the given word. Parking lot. How many more teddy bears should be crossed to show 5 uncrossed teddy bears? So if we count it, 1, 2, 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So we have to cut 2 more to make the total number 5. Now let's see the 11th number question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Moon is a satellite of Earth. It is correct. The sun is the nearest star to the Earth. Yes. Plant gives out their own light. It is incorrect option, friends. Like plant don't have their own light. Which of the following is not a national symbol of India? Like mango, rose, the Ganga, and Janagana Mana. So the national is not the national symbol of India. So rose is not the national symbol. Characters shown in the figure picture appear in the animated movie. What was it? Aladdin. Okay. A dog likes to bark mostly at the park. A cow likes to what? Moo. The sound of cow is moo. Question number 15. Look at the picture. Which sports is this? So it is skating. Okay. Like and when it is done over the snow, it is skying. The vegetables shown in the picture. So let me show you clearly. It is what? So it's a turnip, friends. In Hindi it is known as salgam. Which of the following is not a source of light? So what is it? Window pane. Identify the famous character. So you can clearly see it is the picture of Salman Khan. Okay. What is a group of puppies called? So a group of puppies is known as litter. Now let's see the next question, which is Muslims worship in a, it is a golden temple, it is church, it is temple. So Muslims worships in mosques, so C will be correct one here. Current affairs. Current President of India Ramnath Kovind. On which day do we celebrate the Republic Day? So on 26th of January we celebrate Republic Day. It is the day for independence. And this was for Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, and this is also a day. So the correct option is 26th January. Now let's come to the 23rd question. Jurassic World Dash is a famous movie released in 2018. So if you guys have watched that movie, then the full name of it was what? Fallen Kingdom. Okay. Which country in the winter is the winner of FIFA World Cup 2018? So which one it is? France. Donald Trump is the president of United States. Right now he is not the president, like Joe Biden has won the election of this year and now he is the president, but it is the previous year question, and at that time Donald Trump was president of USA. Let's see the life skills section. A new boy joined your class in the middle of the session. What kind of behavior should you show to him? So what you do? You should bully him. No, dear friends, bullying is quite bad. You should help him in completing his previous syllabus. Yes, this is the way how you can help him and show the gratitude. If you get a proper sleep at night, then you will feel fresh and energetic next day. Okay. Now 28th question. Select the correct match. When you make a mistake, say hello. No, friends. At that time you should say sorry. When someone helps you, say thank you. Yes, it is the correct one. Select the action which is safe. So if you see, this is not safe, this is also not safe, this is also not safe. The safe way is this, because this boy is riding bicycle wearing helmet, so it is quite safe. Now let's see the 30th question. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, if your friend asks you for a toy, you should what? So you should share with him, because sharing is caring. Okay. Achievers section. Pizza. Match the column and select the correct option. Pizza is matchable with what? So pizzas are made up of cheese. Chocolate is from cocoa bean, and French fries are from potatoes, and pohas are from rice. So let's see which one is matchable. So A will be for 3, B is of 4, C for A or 1, and D for the rest 2. So let's see, A3 is only in the option D. So let's see the 32nd question. The name of which of the following leaves is not found in the word creed? So let's see the option first. The option is, here we have mango tree, mango leaves, and in the mid row we will see the trees of mango leaves are mentioned like. Then we have people. So let's see, do we have it in the given section? So if we see here in the downward row we have the people. Then the third one is the leaf of a banana. So if you see friends, there is banyan but not banana, so it will be the right option for this answer, for this question number 32nd. Let's see which of the following is not a new India note. So this is the new 10 rupee note. If you see, this is the new 50 rupees note, and then this is the new 200 rupees note. Okay, so the only note which is old one is this 1000 rupee note, which is not in trending right now. Let's see the 34th question. Which of the following letters will complete the name of the machine which is used in the kitchen? So if you see it, then it is the machine which is known as toaster. Okay, so the right answer for this one will be OAE. Okay, next, the 35th and the last question of this paper. Study the given picture carefully, fill in the blanks. Then Ali is taller than, so here it is Ali, and Ali is only taller than Aman. So the option for P will be Aman. Now next, see the Q section. Q is the shortest, so the shortest kid in this whole row is only Aman. So again the answer of Q will be Aman. Now let's see in which of the following option P and Q is Aman. So only B, so we will go with B. This is the same way you will solve the question in examination 2, because if you go for the third one, it is quite rare chance to go for the third option. You will get the right answer by following one or two of the questions given in the achiever section. So keep it in mind while solving the questions. That's it friends, we have solved the paper successfully. If you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel, and if you are willing to join our paid courses which are running right now, then please mention in the comment section, we will contact you upon that. Thank you.